Welcome to the video from thedigitalLifestyle.com. In this video I'm going to have a very quick look at this USB microphone, this Fifine USB microphone, clip-on microphone. Works with Windows, Mac and idea, clip-on, and you can use it for doing your recordings. This could be podcasts, interviews, product reviews, whatever you want to do, just record it and it works dead simply. So, first quick look at it and then we'll give it a try. So, clip-on microphone, it's got the clip here like that, so you put it on your lapel, and a nice long cable with the USB end like that. Also on here is a headphone port as well, so you can have them for monitoring or for audio playback. Single USB in, stick it in your computer. Costs about £15 on Amazon. I've just plugged it in there. You can see it's plug and play. It's gone straight in. You don't need any drivers to plug in. You've got a little blue indicator light there to show it's working, but that's ready to go. I'm just going to fire up an audio recording program so you can give it a test. So I've chosen the microphone. There's a stereo input of the mic. Set that recording, and that's recording this now, so I can clip it on my lapel. So it works really well. Make sure you check out one of my videos that used this last Windows 10 build video, and I'll include a link for that on this, so you can have a listen and see what you think. But really good, clip straight on and job's done.